Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your LinkedIn profile picture. So all you have to do, click your profile picture in the upper left hand side, tap on your picture again. It's going to take you over to your profile. And here where you have your picture, just simple tap on that. And here you have the option to view or edit your profile picture. Tap on the view or edit, and from here you can change it. So all you have to do is just simple choose update picture, then choose from your photos, or you can take a photo and just choose whatever picture that you want to add, right? So I can basically add whatever I want, and in this case I'm going to just use one of those ones that I have there. So let's say I want to use this one here. I'm going to go ahead and choose this. I can zoom in a bit and just choose that. So let's say that is it. I can go ahead and basically choose it. Just for your curiosity guys, these are just AI generated images, so I just want to share that with you so that you know that this is not me. Right? But that's it. Once you're finished, you guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and leave it as that. Click off, and as you can see, the profile picture is now updated. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.